Welcome to MotorRevs 27, the place where engines speak louder than words. From hard enduro brutality, street-born performance, to pure racing DNA, we don't just review machines. We feel them, we ride them, we push them to the limit. In the ruthless world of hard enduro, where traction is scarce and mistakes are punished instantly, KTM once again sharpens its most legendary weapon. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is not merely an evolution. It is a purpose-built machine engineered to dominate the toughest terrain on the planet. From vertical rock faces to endless root-infested climbs, this bike exists for riders who define limits by breaking them. At the heart of the 300 EXC Hard Enduro lies KTM's iconic 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, refined for 2026 with improved throttle response and even stronger low-end torque. This motor is renowned for its ability to crawl at walking speed without stalling, then explode forward with instant aggression when the trail opens up. Fuel injection ensures crisp power delivery regardless of altitude or temperature, making it a dependable ally in the most unpredictable environments. The chassis remains a masterclass in balance and control. KTM's lightweight chromoly steel frame is tuned specifically for extreme enduro conditions, delivering precise feedback while absorbing brutal impacts. Paired with a reinforced subframe and optimized geometry, the bike feels razor-sharp in technical sections, yet stable when momentum becomes your only option. Suspension is where the Hard Enduro Edition truly separates itself. The WP Xplor fork and shock are specially valved for slow-speed technical riding, offering exceptional sensitivity over rocks and roots while maintaining enough resistance for sudden drops and ledges. Combined with a factory steering damper, the 300 EXC Hard Enduro inspires confidence when the trail turns hostile. KTM outfits this model with premium, competition-ready components straight from the factory. CNC machined triple clamps, a solid rear disc guard, a composite skid plate, and a dedicated hard enduro seat ensure durability and rider comfort during long, punishing days. The aggressive graphics and signature orange finish leave no doubt about its race-bred intent. What truly defines the 2026 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is its singular focus. This is not a compromise machine, nor a casual trail bike. It is a precision tool designed for riders who chase impossible lines and thrive in chaos. In the world of extreme off-road riding, KTM doesn't just follow the standard, it sets it. And once again, the 300 EXC Hard Enduro stands as the benchmark every rival must answer to.